This well-maintained property is located just off of exit 117 in the Benton School District, Caldwell Elementary for K, 4th grade. Home has a split floor plan with the primary located left of the kitchen and the other 2 bedrooms on the right side of the home. Fantastic backyard that backs up to Miller Cove. Extra lot provides some privacy in the back. Roof, HVAC and hot water heater have all been replaced recently, and primary bedroom has brand new carpet installed within the past couple of weeks. Get your buyers scheduled for this one.